Have you ever wondered how ancient wisdom can guide us through the complexities of modern life? Throughout history, amidst the relentless pace of life, philosophy has endured, offering profound insights into stress management and maintaining peace and resilience in the face of challenges. Imagine a time when the world felt overwhelmingly uncertain, pressures mounting from every direction. In those pivotal moments, Stoicism emerged as a steadfast guide, presenting practical techniques to navigate life's storms and find clarity amid chaos. Today, we embark on a journey to explore 5 such Stoic practices, a timeless toolkit for stress management and cultivating inner tranquility. So without further delay, let's begin. Number 1. Dichotomy of Control. First, let's delve into the principle of dichotomy of control. This fundamental Stoic principle teaches us to differentiate between what we can control and what we cannot. Imagine standing in a storm, unable to stop the rain. You can, however, control your response, seeking shelter or embracing the rain. Similarly, in life, we cannot control external events or other people's actions, but we can control our thoughts, actions, and responses. This realization can be liberating. By focusing only on what is within our power, we can let go of the stress that arises from trying to control the uncontrollable. This shift in mindset brings a profound sense of tranquility and clarity, helping us navigate life's storms with greater ease. Number 2. Negative visualization. A technique that might seem unconventional at first. It involves imagining potential challenges and setbacks before they occur. Picture yourself losing your job or facing a difficult situation. While this may sound pessimistic, it serves a crucial purpose. By contemplating these scenarios, we prepare ourselves mentally and emotionally, reducing the shock and stress when difficulties arise. This practice helps us appreciate what we have and strengthens our resilience. It's not about expecting the worst, but about being prepared for life's uncertainties, thereby diminishing their impact on our well-being. Number 3. Mindfulness and Presence. Mindfulness and presence are essential Stoic practices that keep us anchored in the present moment. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in regrets about the past or anxieties about the future. However, true peace and clarity come from being fully present in the here and now. Engage with your surroundings. Notice the colors, sounds, and sensations. Whether you're walking in nature, having a meal, or simply sitting quietly, immerse yourself in the experience. This practice reduces stress by pulling us out of the mental chatter that often overwhelms us. When we are mindful, we experience life more vividly and find peace in the simplicity of the present moment. Number 4. Practicing gratitude. Practicing gratitude is a powerful antidote to stress. It shifts our focus from what we lack to what we have. By regularly acknowledging and appreciating the positives in our lives, we foster a mindset of abundance and contentment. Take a moment each day to reflect on what you're grateful for: your health, relationships, opportunities, or even simple pleasures like a warm cup of tea or a beautiful sunset. This simple yet profound practice can significantly reduce stress and enhance our overall well-being. It reminds us of the good in our lives, even amidst challenges. Number 5. Voluntary discomfort. Finally, voluntary discomfort is a powerful Stoic technique. By intentionally facing small, manageable discomforts, we build mental fortitude and resilience. This practice includes activities like taking cold showers, fasting, or engaging in rigorous physical exercise. These small acts of voluntary discomfort strengthen our ability to handle stress and adversity. They remind us that we can endure more than we often believe, and they enhance our appreciation for comfort and ease when we experience them. Embracing discomfort helps us grow and prepares us for the inevitable challenges life will bring. Incorporating these Stoic techniques into our daily lives can transform the way we handle stress. By focusing on what we can control, preparing for challenges, staying present, practicing gratitude, and embracing discomfort, we cultivate a robust and serene mind. Remember, the power to manage stress lies within you.